Hey, what's up guys? Today we'll be solving container with most water question from LeetCode and I am Akanksha. And in this question we are given an array. So if you'll see we are given an array as an input and we have to actually imagine them as a graph or a chart and calculate the maximum water that it can hold. So this comes under medium category question, but it is actually an easy question. I mean, if you know different approaches to solve questions, you will definitely figure out that this question we will solve it by two pointers approach. And once you figure out the approach, the solution is pretty easy. So let's see how to solve this. One thing to note here is they have already mentioned you may not slant the container and n is at least 2. So that means there's no need to write the edge case. So I'll directly write the result here and along with the solution. So int result is equals to 0. Now for the two pointers approach, int left is equals to 0, right is equals to our last element, so that will be height dot length minus 1. So these are my two indexes that I'll walk through. Now my while left is less than right. So this is the most common thing that we do in almost every two pointers approach solution. Now I'll actually calculate my result is equals to math.max, either the result or I'll say math.min height of left, comma, height of right, okay, multiplied by right minus left. So these are the two heights that I'll compare. For example, in this question, the two heights are 8 and 7, out of which I'll consider the minimum height, which is 7. So this particular phrase results to 7 according to the question, and right minus left are my two indices. So in this question it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 minus 1, that is 7. So 7 multiplied by 7 is 49 and the output is 49. So this is how our result is being calculated. For every iteration after calculating result, we'll say if my height dot left is less than height of right. If that is the case, so we'll increase our left pointer, else we'll decrease our right pointer, and then we'll return our result. Let's see if it works. It did work here. Perfect. So as you can see, the solution is pretty simple, right? And if I have to speak of the time complexity, I'll say we are traversing through each element once with two pointers, that is left and right. So the time complexity will be O of n, that is linear, where n is the number of elements in my height. And the space complexity will be constant because we are not using any other collection class. So that's it. Hope you like the video, and if you do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.